Hey guys, Tech Mentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the AirTag that was released last year in 2021, but we're going to be unboxing it now that we bought it from Apple and show you guys how to also set it up quickly so that you can start using your AirTag and give you a breakdown of the AirTag itself. So as you can see here, if you're buying this one itself, you can also get a 4-pack one for $99, and then this one itself individually is for $29. Of course, this one you can pick it up at the Apple Store or any of the local store like Target or Walmart as well. So pretty compact and lightweight device. It's not the first time that we've seen trackers on other products as well, but Apple's first AirTag we've seen. So this is going to be the one you pick it up. So to unbox it, pretty easy and simple. You take this, pull this, and if you do that, you should be able to start taking it apart. So let's see how we take this. We'll do it from the bottom here. Awesome. So bunch of stuff here. We'll put the AirTag box right here and take a look at this. Look at how much pamphlet you get with this device. So regulatory stuff, 1-year warranty that you can get out of this, safety and handling and compliance. So they really did pack a lot of packets for you to read, so that should be fun. So we'll put that aside and then actually take a look at the AirTag itself here. So you got an AirTag, and then open it up, and as you can see here on how to update the latest iOS. So for this, you will need iOS 14.5 or later for it to work properly. It works the best on iPhone 11 and above, although older iPhones also get that update. Just to kind of give you a rundown. So as you can see, here's 2 instruction and the actual AirTag itself. So we'll go ahead and see how I can remove this. So seems pretty complicated to remove, but let's figure it out. Oh, okay, that almost like broke the AirTag, but so I just popped it out here. Not sure if that's proper, but that's how you can pop it out, and you should be able to get to it. So as you can see, there's a plastic right here on top and then covering it all around. Yeah, so you start to keep peeling the plastic off and you'll see it's very shiny here. It has AirTag and then the name and everything. Pretty cool up close here. Very shiny device. Again, light as well. And now the way to get this started, I guess you pull this. As you see, there's an arrow here, and that's protecting the battery so that battery can be preserved until you activate it. And as you can see, we heard that awesome noise. That means we did just power it on. And what you should see is if you have your phone next to it or bring your phone near it, you'll see AirTag similar to what we see with our AirPods as well. So we'll hit connect here, and then from there on we'll pick where we're going to be using it. So you can use the default name of where you're going to be using it for your keys, luggage, umbrella, or custom name, whatever. We'll just use key here. Hit continue, and as you can see here, enable additional AirTag feature to improve its quality, which you can do as well. And then after you do that, it will say register. So you can register. Basically your email and phone number should appear. We're gonna hit continue, and it is registering that with our Apple account because that's the way the tracking works. So as you can see here, it'll give you a location here, which will hide a little bit, but you can pretty much see the location on the map up top of where it's at currently, and you can use precision finding, and then you can place down and also notify when you're left. So all you do is hit done, and you're done setting it up and you're ready to go. And the way to, of course, find this is going to be using your Finder app, and that's all you need to set up your AirTag. So you can now go ahead, put it in by your keys or wherever you want, to your luggage or book bag, but essentially that's how it is. It's pretty cool, lightweight design. Again, this is how it looks. So that's how you go about setting up an AirTag. Of course, hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and if so, make sure that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.